Bitcoin is flashing a potential reversal on the 4-hour chart, and the indicators are giving us a clear warning. We've just printed two back-to-back sell signals. Whale money flow is trending flat, but now moving outwards. Trades in favor is dropping fast, and price is losing steam as we approach the bottom. This may sound scary, but as we approach $116,000, this may actually present an entry opportunity. Before we dive into the setup, I want to let you know our traders just won another trade. This was one on INJ, and this call was made on July 24th. Easy 10% profit, and with this strategy, in 29 months, our traders have earned 304 wins and 0 losses. I'll show you how to access that later. These quick 4-hour setups are exactly what we're highlighting in our trade setups page. Members were already watching for this reversal structure with their alerts set. You can join the membership today and actually get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. As a heads up, we also have some fantastic future forecast episodes coming up later this week. We answered the question, should you go all in on altcoins right now? Plus, how XRP could hit $1,500 by January 1st of 2026. You can sign up for this at the links in the description down below. Let's get started. The short-term chart breakdown for Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame here. Price rallied into the resistance structure. This red line here represents major resistance. At the same time, we got two back-to-back sell signals. The structure remains choppy, but overall we are moving sideways, failing to break into a clean higher high or higher low. This is often how local tops form when momentum is exhausted. If there's no strong bounce or follow through, this is where we could see buyer fatigue. Let's talk about the indicators specifically. TC top and bottom finder. Once again, sell signals are stacked. We don't have a strong sell printed, but cluster signals show strong growing downside pressure. This is where we're seeing moves down right now. Historically, this has led to near-term pullbacks, especially in sideways markets, and you can see this repeated over and over again, even in the last couple of weeks. The trades in favor is downshifting hard after we saw momentum pump into the short trade zone. Most often, this is going to indicate a reversal, and as we're dropping, while we do see a 53% chance of a pump, this is still essentially a 50-50 move, and most often leads to continuations until we see a drop into the long trade zone. At this point, this is where downwards momentum would have run out, and we're likely to see a bounce to the upside. From there, price versus whale money flow shows whale money remains flat and not really directional. We are still within a small trend line, just as we saw back here. No spike in activity in either direction or accumulation in the latest move up, and this suggests whales are not supporting the current price level. If we see this line continue moving down, it means whales are selling, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As it bottoms out, just as we saw here, this means whales have actually oversold and are likely to buy back in, which is indicated by a green line moving up. So, if we see the green line bottom out, if we see trades in favor drop into the long trade zone, and I forgot to mention, but a buy or strong buy signal typically indicates ideal candle entries. This is what's called the bullish trifecta, and most often it's going to send the price flying. In the short term this week, I think we're going to see a price drop down to around the $116,000 level before we bounce. From there, we'll be looking for a buy signal, price versus whale money flow low, and trades in favor low. Honestly, this setup right here is more important than any sort of support though. So what we're going to do is set some alerts. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert will be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it as a buy signal, once per bar close, click create. Last alert, TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and click create. Watch for pump alert will let you know when the trades in favor closes in the long trade zone. A buy or strong buy alert will of course let you know when you get a buy or strong buy signal on your chart, and if any of these three alerts post, check to see if you have or are close to creating that bullish trifecta. Listen up, if you're not using these tools yet, now is the time. Our members are getting crazy real-time trading in the future forecast, going far more in-depth than what we are showing in YouTube videos. They're getting access to trade setups where 304 wins and 0 losses, and they're getting massive discounts. I'm talking up to $550 off the indicators you are seeing in this video. What you need to do to maximize your profit is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Very first link is what you're looking for. This is where we're going to sign up for a membership with 25% off your first month. Head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Packs is what you're looking for, and your first $150 off can be found with this coupon code. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 off these tools. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Be watching closely for a buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, as the price drops for your next entry opportunity. Set your alerts, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.